Welcome back, guys, to another video. Now, in this specific video, what I'm going to go ahead and talk about is how to navigate through pocket options. So, the number one thing that I feel that everyone should need to know that is a necessity is how to access your live and demo account and what's the difference between the two. So, where it says live up here, right next to your profile picture, right, where it says live, guys, this is your live account, meaning this is where you're going to be trading with your real money. Now, let's say I was looking to go ahead and I'm a new trader. I was looking to go ahead and start practicing on learning strategies and so forth, but I did not want to trade on my live account and lose any money. Guys, you can click on this live account, and then from there, guys, you can go ahead and access your demo account and just click on it. All right, so to change from live to demo right there. So now the next thing, guys, I want to go ahead and touch on, right, is your tradings tab. Now in your tradings tab, this is where you're going to obviously find your quick trading, digital trading, and so forth. Now for the sums it all up in a quick little sum up, quick trading is where you can be able to trade at a fixed time, and not only that, guys, you're able to trade under 1 minute, meaning you can trade as low as 30 seconds with the quick trading. So and in and out with the bag, what I like to call it. Now digital trading, guys, is more of a purchase time, and it's not fixed, meaning that you will always see this clock right here down here where it says purchase time. You always see this moving, so you're able to trade this a minute and above as far as getting in and out of a trade or looking for that trade to go ahead and expire and so forth. So guys, that's pretty much that. Now let's say you want to go ahead and deposit or withdraw money and so forth. Guys, all you got to do is just click on the finance tab over here in the left side of my screen, right? And guys, you will see where it says deposit, withdraw, your history, cashback promos, and etc. Right there and there. Now, also your profile, if you go down one more tab to as well, you will see where it says your trading profile, your regular profile, and trading history, and all that good stuff too as well. Now, what I want to touch on, guys, I want to touch on how to choose a pair. So if someone was to call out a pair or looking at a specific pair, let's say gold, or looking at a specific currency, let's say AUD, USD, right? Guys, you need to identify exactly how to locate that specific thing. So if you look at the left side, upper left of my screen, right? Guys, you see where it says gold OTC. So right now I am on a commodity. So guys, as you can see, you have these symbols up here. So if you're on your phone, guys, you will see where it says a money sign. If you're on your phone and you're logged into a pocket option, you will see it'll be a Bitcoin symbol, right? If you're logged on your phone too as well, it'll say the commodity symbol too as well. And also if you're on your phone too as well, you will see where it says instead of saying stocks, it's going to be a little page symbol right here. So guys, understand, you got access to all of these specific tabs. Now, these specific tags, if I want to trade a specific currency, all I got to do is just click on currency, right? And let's say I was looking to trade USD RUB, guys, as you can see, this is an actual foreign currency pair. Now, if I was looking to trade Bitcoin, guys, I can click on Bitcoin, trade it, whatever I want to go ahead and trade. Same thing with commodities. If I'm looking to trade gold, silver, UK Brent crude oil, and so forth, guys, I can go ahead and choose between the two. Same thing with stocks too as well. I just click on the tab and then I choose exactly which one I want to go ahead and trade, or what chart I'm looking to go ahead and look up and so forth. Now, understand this is very, very crucial, guys, too as well. Do not take a trade, right, that's paying out less than 70%, because you got to understand, if I'm already putting down some money, let's say I'm putting down $10, I don't want to go ahead and just make back 40% return on my investment of whatever I just put down. I want to make back at least 70% in or more return on investment, what we call an ROI. So guys, specifically, I don't trade anything that's 70% and below. All right, anything that's 70% and below, I do not trade. So guys, as you can see right here, for example, we're right now on stocks and so forth, right? So let's even look at currencies too. So Euro SGD is paying out 68%, meaning that's going to be the payout that I'm looking to go ahead and receive on whatever I actually put down. So with that being said, I am not looking to trade the specific pair, so I will ignore this pair. So anything 70% above, I will actually trade, so that way I can get a bigger payout and a quick little sum up, and that's that. Now, obviously, guys, if you want to go ahead and start these currencies or start these commodities, or Bitcoin or stocks and so forth, all you gotta do is just click on the little start tab right here, and this is where you will find your start list. So, for example, let's say I want to start. This was my favorite pair, or Euro always paid out the highest, payout, had the highest payout for currencies. Guys, I can just go ahead and just start, and then as you guys can see, let's do Bitcoin too as well, just so I can show you guys, right? Commodities, show you guys for that, UK Brent. Now, if I click on my star, you will see where it say Euro, UK Brent, and so forth, Bitcoin, whatever, and all that type of good stuff. So, guys, for the most part, it's very, very crucial that you understand that this favorite list, to be completely honest with you, is something that I would definitely look into. So you can always have your favorite currency pairs, not just your favorite currency pairs, but also commodities, but the ones that pays out the highest percentage. So that way you could get the best bang for your buck when trading inside these markets. Now, the next thing I want to go ahead and go over is the chart times. All right, the chart types and the time frames actually. So guys, originally your chart probably won't look anything like this. Your chart most likely will look something like this, right? So by the way, guys, don't get scared away if your chart looks like this. If you want to go ahead and switch over to the candlestick chart so you can go ahead and understand what it is that you're actually looking at, guys, all you have to do is just click on chart types right here, right? And then after that, guys, click on candles. It's going to immediately switch it over to candlesticks. And then from there, you're going to go ahead and select exactly what time frame you were looking to go ahead and get into a trade. Now, this is the most important part right here, right? The timer. You always want to enable the timer. Why? Because as you guys can see on this current candle, if I'm just looking at this specific chart, I don't know exactly what time this candle is going to end. Only thing I know is that it's going to end in a minute, but I don't know the exact of how many seconds it has left until it actually ends. So you always want to go ahead and enable this timer. And then as you guys can see, if I'm on the 1 minute time frame here, you can see here it says M1, and I have 3 seconds left until this candle's closed. All right, now that's that specific tab. Now the next tab I want to go ahead and go over is what I call, or what it looks like is like a little sliders bar, or what most people call your indicators, right? And this is where you're going to find your indicators. So you would just click on this, right? And if you're looking to go ahead and add or create a specific strategy to help you become a more profitable and consistent trader, guys, all you have to do is just click on that, and then now you can find all your indicators you were looking to add on your specific chart. Now, the last but not least, what I want to go over is the painting tool. All right. This specific painting tool allows you to go ahead and mark up your charts, right? So if you're looking to mark up your charts and put horizontal lines, right, or put Fibonacci on your chart, or put trend lines on your chart, or put boxes on your charts, guys, you can go ahead and do all that type of good stuff. So that way you can go ahead and mark up your chart on when you're looking to get into a specific point into the market. And yeah, with that, now these 3 little dots right here is just so that way you can go ahead and zoom in and zoom out and so forth out of your chart, and you really can just go from there and mess around with that too as well. Now, if you guys are looking to place a buy or a sell, understand, right? Red right here, this red button down here at the bottom of my screen indicates a sell. This green button right here indicates a buy. So if I was looking for the market to go up, I would click the buy button. If I was looking for the market to go down, I would click the sell button. It's just that simple, guys. So with that alone, you need to understand exactly which button you're going to be pressing when getting into this market. Now, if you were looking for a buy, right, you want price. And I'm going to zoom in so that way you guys can get a good picture of what it is I'm about to share with you guys. So if you guys are looking for a buy, or if you guys are looking for a sell, it really doesn't matter. But if you're looking for a buy, you want price to be above this green line, whatever you had entered. Now, if you were looking for a sell, obviously, guys, you want price to go ahead and be below this red line from where you actually entered. So in this specific example, obviously I got into a trade. This sell one I would have lost, but this buy one I am winning. So It's just that simple. The difference between the two on how to use that. Now, if you're looking to go ahead and extend exactly how long you're going to be into a trade, guys, like I said, with the purchase time, if you look at the purchase time, you will see that it has a little flag down here, right? So if I click on a flag, it can switches over to expiration time if I want to trade under 1 minute or trade on a fixed time. I can go ahead and switch over and do so, and just tap on that and add how many minutes or whatever I want to go ahead and want this trade to go ahead and expire at that specific time. Now, obviously, it said congratulations, you won $768. So on one of those trades, I did one trade I did lose, but yeah, just by that. But the next thing I want to go ahead and go over with you guys is the trading amount. Now, the trading amount is where you're going to actually see exactly how much money you're looking to go ahead and make or put down on the trade, so that way you can figure out how much you are looking to gain or how much for the day, or how much you are, just willing to just make or so forth. So within, let's say I was looking to make $10 or put $10 on a trade, right? Boom, I would just type in $10 for my trade amount. Now, as you guys can see, where it says the buy, the green button, and the red and the sell button, it tells you exactly the pair that, not pair that you're on, but the percentage that pair is specifically paying out, and it tells you exactly how much that you're going to be paid out additionally on top of what it is that you put down. So if I'm looking to get in for a sell, boom, I will click the sell button and so forth. Right now, I'm in this trade for $10, but it says the payout is going to be 92%. So I will make back the money that I just put down plus the payout of what it's going to pay me out. So instead of just making back my $10, I'm gonna make back $19 and profit out on that specific trade. And that's how you use basically or navigate through pocket option. But last but not least, guys, you want to go ahead and find out exactly what time you have left on this specific trade. Now you can use this little enable timer, which is right here where I talked about previously earlier, or you can go ahead and see exactly where you're at with the trades, far as the open trades and the closed trades. So I have 10 seconds left on this trade. So it tells me here, right, I have 6 seconds left on this specific trade. It's either I'm gonna win this trade or I'm gonna lose this trade. So right now I'm in profit, and then after that, I just won $19, as you can see where it says congratulations, 19.2 dollars or so forth, that I just won. And that was my open trades that I had open. And now since it's closed out and I don't won that trade or lost that trade, however you guys are looking at it, guys, all I got to do is just click on the history. Well, click on close, and you will see exactly how many trades you have actually won or lost or so forth during that process. So guys, that sums it up for today's session. Guys, I hope you guys got a lot of value on what it is that we got going on. And not just that, guys, you learned how to navigate through pocket option. I will see you guys in the next video. Deuces.